My oil filter is leaking oil. Oil. The drain plug. Oil. Frame. Oil. The power steering reservoir, which you guys were made aware that it was leaking. Oil. The hose. Oil. It's oil. Oil is leaked down on the fan cover. I'm sure you can see that. It's leaked down here. Oil is leaked on my leaf spring. Oil is leaked down here. Oil. This is the last and final time I'm gonna get Penske to fix these issues. You were made aware about this power steering pump leaking. It's leaking all on my parts.